All right, guys, we're getting closer and closer. So this is the basic setup. I'm probably going to change this inductor and the way that I'm trying to introduce it to the top plates on the capacitor bank. And I'm going to try this little clip, but I'm probably going to change this too. I wanted to get the ground plate and have a way through one of these 1 megohm high voltage resistors to discharge the plates for safety. And then this one is going to run to protected earth, an actual ground. Uh, so that way, we can add another element of safety there. So that's what those are for. Here's the 10,000 volt power supply. I have the charging resistor in place. There's the switch to fire it. There's the key switch. There's a 2-switch option. I'm just going to use one for testing. And notice I do not have it connected. I just have it on one post just to kind of keep it tidy so I see where it's at all times. So that's kind of what we're looking at. And we're going to work a little bit more and think about the enclosure and that kind of thing and make it as safe as we can. And then we're going to tune it and fire it up in the future posts. All right, more to follow.